Here, come put it right here on the table. Okay, do you know who it's from?
Who?
It's from Aunt Emma. Should we open it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sarah.
You might need to get some scissors.
Sarah.
Go get.
Wait. What the heck is this, sister?
Go get a knife from the drawer.
What knife?
Be nice. Go
What
get a
knife?
knife from the drawer.
Mom.
Okay, you put this right here. Wait a second.
Mom.
Here,
Is it for me?
you hold it. Here, watch me. Not me. Get your finger out of the way. No, can you see?
Here.
Okay, let me get this going. And then
What is that? Is it for me?
it's for you. And there's something for Emmy too, I think.
You think? Shut up. Yeah, to open a backpack.
Okay.
What is it?
Okay. You open it.
You know what that is? What?
What is it? Careful, Emmy. What is it, you guys? What is it, Marin?
Oh, shut up!
Is it a Muppet sweater?
Oh, heck yeah!
Did you get a sweater?
Where's Emmy? That's a
Here, should we put it on? Let's try it on.
No, open.
Let's see. Here. Let's
What?
see. Can I help you?
It's mine.
Can I help you?
Okay.
Oh,
Is that awesome?
It is so awesome. Come here.
You just got... Did Emma give me a Muppet sweater?
She did. Emmy, did you see your sweater? Look, you got owls on your sweater. Yeah, come here.
Give,
Oh my
give
gosh, this is so pretty.
I'm gonna take it now.
Come here. Is your finger stuck in it?
Heck yeah.
Oh my gosh, Mara, that's so pretty.
That's it.
Here.
What? It's a cool. Oh,
So pretty.
Thank you.
Yes. You want to wear yours? Oh, Marin. Wait, it's stuck. Here, we'll figure that out. Oh, I missed a buttonhole. What's going on? Here, come here. Oh my gosh, Marin, that's so cute. Can I help you?
Is it cute?
You want to wear your sweater? Okay.
That was a surprise?
That's a surprise. Isn't that awesome?
Yeah. I told you I
So cool. Oh, Marin.
Can I tell Emma thank you?
Yes, you can. Look how great that looks.
Can I tell her?
Yeah, we'll call her. We're recording you right now, and we can.
Maybe we can talk in the clipper.
Yeah, she doesn't have Skype.
That is so awesome.
Emmy, do you want to wear your sweater?
This is awesome. Can I go and look in the mirror?
Yeah.
Mama.
Here, come
Mom,
here.
come on. Mom, come here.
It's so cute, you guys. If your fingers went in it. Here.
Mom.
Marin, cool it.
It's a Muppet
Careful, don't
sweater.
push, don't push, don't push. Okay, wait a second. Oh gosh. Hey, stop pushing your arm. here comes Henry.
Can I show him?
Wait, I want to get a picture of you.
Okay. What?
What?
What's your name?
Look at Martin's Muppet sweater. Emmy, let me see. Turn around and
That's
say
a
cheese.
Muppet sweater?
Yeah.
A Muppet?
So cute. Look.
That's a Muppet sweater?
Yeah. Aunt Emma made it.